So good morning everyone, welcome to the Louis Bouillot winery in the cradle of Louis Bouillot Crémant de Bourgogne. I am Pierre Jury, I am the export manager for Louis Bouillot in Sweden. So I know your country quite well and I know that you love our Crémant. So the idea today was to show you what we are doing at Louis Bouillot, and the best way to discover the Louis Bouillot world is to come to the winery. Here in our winery, we are in Nuits Saint-Georges, in the heart of Burgundy, so that's where Louis Bouillot has started in producing sparkling wines back in 1877. So 140 years of experience with Crémant de Bourgogne. This winery is dedicated to the elaboration of great sparkling wines. So we vinify here some Pinot Noir, Chardonnay, Gamay and Aligoté to make our great Crémant de Bourgogne. In our winery, we have more than 150 tanks. Why that much? Because during the harvest, we source grapes from different parts of Burgundy, from the different sub-regions of Burgundy. You know, Burgundy is a very tiny region, 200 kilometers from north to south, from the Chablis area down to the Mâconnais and Beaujolais area in the south. So at Louis Bouillot, we like to source grapes from these different sub-regions because it will bring something different. Each grapes will have a different kind of characteristic that will be interesting for us when we will make our Crémant de Bourgogne. So we use that many tanks because we want to keep everything clearly separate. We will never blend, for example, a Chardonnay from Chablis with a Chardonnay from the Mâconnais area, because these wines will be very, very different. And to keep our wines unique as long as possible until the blending session, when we will blend the different wines to make our different cuvées. That's why we have so many tanks here. So Louis Bouillot, we produce basically every year between 2.5 and 3 million bottles of Crémant de Bourgogne. It's growing every year because Crémant de Bourgogne is booming everywhere, booming in Sweden, in Norway, in the US, in Canada. There is more and more demand for it for two reasons. First one, because champagne prices have increased quite a lot and people can't afford a bottle of champagne every week. That's the first thing. Then, for a couple of years now, it has been this big trend of Prosecco. So maybe some people would like now to have something a little bit more serious than Prosecco, and if you pay a little bit more for a Crémant de Bourgogne, you get much more wine than with a Prosecco, for example. I'm not very neutral because I'm from Burgundy and I'm proud of my wines. But we really believe in the potential in the coming years of Crémant de Bourgogne. That's why ourselves we increase a little bit every year our production to meet the demand. 3 million bottles in total, but 14 different cuvées. We love to work with some small cuvées at Louis Bouillot. Of course, we have our most famous cuvées called Perle de Vigne, Perle d'Aurore, that you know very well in Sweden. But we also produce every year some vintage. We also have a selection of single vineyard, very small quantities, a few thousand bottles a year, but really top quality wines able to compete with some of the best champagne cuvées. You know, I've said that Burgundy is a very tiny region. And Louis Bouillot, we have the chance to have some vineyards in different areas in Burgundy, from Chablis at the north down to the Mâconnais and the Beaujolais at the south. We own around 100 hectares of vineyard. Best thing to do to know what Louis Bouillot is about is to taste some of the base wines. So here, in this winery, we have base wines from the 2019 vintage. The wine has been here just for a couple of weeks. We've started harvest beginning of September. And in this particular tank here, we have some Pinot Noir cuvée, so cuvée which is the best part of the juice, Pinot Noir cuvée from the Côte de Beaune area. So you see the juice is still a little bit cloudy because we didn't make any filtration at this stage, just a light, very light fining, very cloudy, so even if it's a Pinot Noir, very pale color because we make very quick maceration. We don't want to extract too much the color. We really want to keep it clear. Particularity of 2019 vintage, the vintage has been quite warm. So you can really smell it in the glass, a lot of fresh fruits aromas, a lot of strawberry, raspberry notes, very, very aromatic Pinot Noir this year. And when you taste it, you have the same kind of aroma. Still this. So this Pinot Noir, next stage for it, we will keep it in the cellar until January. Because just before Christmas, we will make a huge tasting with the team, with the winemaking team, tasting each tank separately, and we will start to blend them together to make our different cuvées. So some tanks will go in our Perle de Vigne, some tanks will go in our Perle d'Aurore, and the best qualities will go in our vintage Crémant de Bourgogne. But really, if I want to summarize Louis Bouillot in one sentence, it's really the crispiness of and the fruitiness of Burgundy. The fresh fruit of Burgundy. That's what we really want to have in our glass of Crémant de Bourgogne. So thank you very much for having visited us in Nuits Saint-Georges, and I hope to see you soon in Sweden.